Exploring Simulation Accuracy, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that touches both technology and language. Simulation accuracy. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone curious about how virtual models mimic real-world scenarios, understanding this phrase is key. So, let's break it down together and make it as easy as pie. First things first, let's talk about what a simulation is. In the simplest terms, a simulation is a way to create a virtual model of a real-world process or system. This can be anything from simulating weather patterns to practicing flight operations in a flight simulator. The goal here is to replicate real-life conditions as closely as possible, without the risks or costs associated with real-world experimentation. Now, on to accuracy. When we discuss accuracy in the context of simulations, we're talking about how closely the simulation matches the real world. It's all about the level of detail and realism that the simulation can achieve. High accuracy means the simulation can predict real-world outcomes very closely, whereas low accuracy might mean the simulation is too simplified or missing crucial details. Putting it all together, simulation accuracy refers to the degree to which a simulation can accurately replicate or predict real-world processes and outcomes. It's a crucial aspect in many fields, including engineering, medicine, and video games. High simulation accuracy is essential for reliable predictions, effective training, and in-depth research studies. Understanding and improving simulation accuracy is vital for several reasons. For professionals, it means being able to test theories, designs, and strategies in a safe and controlled environment. For educators and trainers, it offers a way to provide realistic experiences without real-world consequences. Essentially, the better the simulation accuracy, the more valuable the simulation is as a tool for learning, experimentation, and decision-making. And that wraps up our exploration of simulation accuracy. We hope this video has shed some light on what simulation accuracy means and why it's so important across different fields. Remember, in a world increasingly reliant on digital models and virtual scenarios, knowing about simulation accuracy helps you understand the strengths and limitations of these tools. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay curious.